Hello guys, if you come to visit Cambodia, please don't forget to try bánh mì. Please invite us. I'm sure you will love it. It's really good.
។